Oh, sorry, I was on a call. By the way, thinking of mobile phones just makes me feel, would you lend your mobile phone for the next couple of hours? Why would you do that? Nobody would do that, I'm sure about it. But if you look at the mobile phone, it's become such an important product in our lives, isn't it? Everything that we do today is connected to the mobile phone some way or the other. Perhaps we don't like to go to the bank and therefore the entire bank is on our mobile phones today. Your travel plans, your cinema ticket bookings, Facebook, other social media, everything you could imagine. So if you look at this, mobile phone is quite an example in itself, isn't it? It has solved so many problems. It has identified needs that never existed and even tried to find solutions for that. So the point is, when you are thinking of your business idea, you can either try to solve a problem or you can try and address a felt need for the future. Now that's an important question to answer for any entrepreneur. Often you might want to come up with products just like that. But if you do not study the market, if you do not know if there is a need for your product, or there is a problem that your product is likely to solve, then you might come up with a product which might not find a market at all. So here are some pertinent questions that you need to ask yourself before you start developing a product. The first question is there a problem that you're going to solve, or is there a need for the future that you're going to address? Secondly, you also got to ask, is there a ready available market for your product? If there is no market, then perhaps you have to create a market so that your product becomes commercially successful. And this is not going to be easy. Hence, you have to think this through really, really well. Another important question that you need to address is, what is the competition like today? Who are the competitors? Are there any competitors? Often we tend to believe that we are the only one thinking about this idea. That may not be true. There could be other players who are contemplating the same business idea that you are thinking about right now. So study the competition as well. That will help you with enough business intelligence and will give you the choice to take informed decisions before you venture into producing the product that you want to. So get back to your dream book, jot down these questions and identify the answers. So the 3 questions are very important, very pertinent. Is your product going to solve a problem or is going to address a felt need? What is the existing market? Is there a market that exists? If not, can you create one? And finally, what is the competition for the product that you're contemplating? Find out answers for these questions. I'm sure that will give you enough idea to work on your business proposal. Till then, arise and keep winning.